Hey Lavender, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a flip out effect in Canva. So let's begin. Okay, so first of all you're going to take this size right here. And then I'm going to name it as Canva 41. Go in elements. Type in here phone. Now I'm going to go in the mockups. I'm going to pick one from here. This one right here I'm going to pick one. I'm going to increase the size. Okay. I'm going to go in my elements and type in here home interior PG. And I'm going to go in my photos. And I'm going to pick any one of these. Like for example, this one right here. Okay, now I'm just gonna like layer it to the back. Go in layers and send to back. Okay, now I'm gonna go in edit. I'm gonna go in see all and click over here for blur. And I'm gonna go on a whole page. And like intensity, I can like adjust it towards the way I want it to be. I guess this is fine. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type in here. Now I'm going to put this cat inside my like mockup. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to adjust it. I've double clicked on my mockup and now I can adjust my image right here. So just like this, and I'm going to adjust it the way I want it to be. Okay, I want the head to pop up a little. Okay, so I've done some adjustments and I've applied the image. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take another one. I'm going to remove the background, or you can even go on BG remover. And I'm just going to cut this part right here. I'm going to try to adjust it. I have done shift and arrow keys. Okay, somewhat like this. Okay. It just needs a few adjustments. So you might be thinking what adjustments I did. What I only like removed the extra parts which was covering na. So I removed that. So I hope you love this video. Like, share and subscribe, and I will share to your friends. Bye bye.